You know, I'm the activist of making money online. I'm a lady with positive mindset, and positive mindset is everything. Yeah, this is it. If you know, you have been on social media and you have been on Immaculate Show. Today, you're meeting me at the comfort of my home. I'm relaxing. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything on social media. In fact, I'm not working. It's eat, drink, sleep, watch movie, but make money. But anyways, before I do all that, before I relax, I would love you to meet my beautiful friends, my companion, the people that help me, my helpers, making content easier. The first one is this. These are my Lunatus video photo glasses. Yes, they are called Lunatus Apparel. These are my glasses. By the way, these are not eyeglasses. These are camera, video, photo, whatever you want to call it. They do recording. How do they do recording rather? I just put them on as I'm talking. By the way, let me record for you what is in my bedroom right now using this. Here it is seen. So I'm going to download this and I put it for you on top, and you see. So it helps me, by the way, in very good, beautiful ways. There are some things like when you're driving, there are things I don't want to pick a camera. The videos you always see, like on highway, I use my glasses. If I'm eating, like for example, I want to eat, like now, okay, let me give you something you see, and I'll put, like now, instead of you seeing it from the camera like this, I'll do like this. The camera is here, so you'll see the product of it. Also, I can do it from, like, if I want to take other angles, or you want to do a video when people are not looking at me. That is one. The second one is my phone. This phone helps me so much, to the extent that I do editing, I make shooting from here. I even use it as a mic most of the times, and I do the editing, uploading, reading comments, reading analytics, all of them. I have my beautiful friend, one and only, the most expensive, my tablet. So how do I use this one? This one helps me in research. It helps me in doing my transcripts. It helps me in doing like updating my schedules. This is what I use. So these are my best friend in making money. So how does it do? I have a notebook here, I have my schedule here, I have ChatGPT here, I have Gemini here. So whatever I do, I upload it and say, please, my personal assistant, can you do for me this video? And it will do the video. Sometimes I no longer stress myself. That's why you can see when I'm doing the video like this. Like now, let me do it for you. You guys, do you know what? Most of you are talking about, I'm a brand. But some of you don't know what a brand is. Can I tell you what a brand is, such that you work towards it? A brand is often known as a premium brand. It has a strong recognition and reputation in the market. These brands usually market leaders and they are trusted by customers. But before that, can you know the features of a brand? Like Immaculate Show is a brand. Do you agree? If you find these features are there, you know it is a brand. It has a high brand recognition. That is, most people know it in the category where it falls. It has a strong reputation for quality. What do you give out? It is usually higher priced than lesser known brands. So where is your brand high or it is less? It has a heavy marketing and advertising, widely available in most markets. So can I give you some of the brands? We have like Samsung, we have like the Apple, Samsung, we have Apple, we have Nick, Coca-Cola. These are brands. So we have different comparison of brands. There is A, B, C. Where do you lie? And C is in private. B is in moderate recognition. D is in top famous. Now, this is what this does for me. You can see how I was using it, so I don't struggle. Another thing I use, this is Samsung, mini Samsung 25. Ultra 25. This is beautiful. You see, it even has money behind it. So how do I use this one? I use it in very different ways. Like now, if I premiere the video, you know, engagement is a key and visibility. I always use this one to run the videos without forgetting my big screen, my laptops and other things. These are my best.